Are you curious about what each dashboard warning light in the 2025 Infiniti QX55 means? How does the cluster display enhance your driving experience? Have you ever wondered what each warning light means and how it helps keep your vehicle running smoothly? If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. Air vents facilitate airflow, improving ventilation and maintaining indoor air quality. The gear shift allows the driver to change gears, controlling the vehicle's speed and power.
Instrument cluster.
The instrument cluster displays essential vehicle information like speed, fuel level, and warning indicators. It helps the driver monitor the car's status while driving. Meters and gauges.
Cluster indicators.
Airbag warning light, seat belt warning light. Rear automatic braking system warning light, anti-lock brake system warning light, brake warning light, electric power steering warning light, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, low tire pressure warning light, master warning light, electric shift control system warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, electronic parking brake warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, front passenger airbag status light, security indicator light, slip indicator light, turn signal indicator light, high beam indicator light, front fog indicator light, side light and headlight indicator light, automatic brake hold indicator light, eco drive indicator light, forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection system warning light, high beam assist indicator light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.